Hey guys, Anthony Plays here and welcome to another awesome video. Today in this video, I am doing an unboxing. As you can see, I'm doing the Bendy and Ink Machine unboxing right now. I only have two for right now. And I'm gonna open up the Bendy one. And I'll move this Alice Angel out of the way for Bendy, for little Bendy. So let's move him over here. So as you can see, this is the Ink Demon himself, Bendy. He has a wrench and a gear. And I believe that's all. Yeah. Oh, and also on the back, these are like collectibles. So you could get Sammy Lawrence, the little nice Bendy, Boris the Wolf, and then the one that we have is the Ink Bendy. After that, we have the Alice Angel. And we get the Thomas Connor, Boris, and I believe we also get the other Alice Angel, the nicer version, and then the Boris the Wolf that we all know in Bendy and Ink Machine chapter 2, 3, the third chapter, I want to say, yeah. So let's open this bad boy up. Oh, it's so nice. Let's get them out. Oh, crap. The wrench came off. So let's just put the wrench. I'm gonna put the wrench for right now. I'll put the wrench up there for now. Okay. So we'll put this down real fast, and then and we also got a gear for Bendy to hold. So we'll put that right there, and I'll show you guys those in a minute. And also the Ink Demon himself. What is? Oh, that was annoying. Okay. Come on, Bendy. No, you don't want to. Wait, you have to. There we go. So here's Bendy rocking out his inky form. Looks pretty nice. So, oh, you can sit down too. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. So, oh my god, I don't like how he's sitting right now, guys. I don't want you guys to he's free. Let's just put him up here for now. Then we also have Thomas Connor's wrench. I don't know why we need it, but I don't know why Bendy has it, but yeah. So.
Ya quítate tu chamarra, ya te duermes, hijo, ya.
No, sit down. So, also, here's a gear. This is it's from chapter 5, I believe. Yeah, chapter 5, in the one thing that you had to make in Bendy in the machine, where you had to travel from that void. I might do a let's play on that. I'm not quite sure yet. I will try my best. And as I'm speaking right now, I actually do have another video that's being uploaded right now. So hopefully this actually comes out nicer. No, it comes out nice. So that's that. So that was Bendy. What where can I put him for now? Would you fall if I put you right there? I believe you will. Let me give you your trusty wrench. Oh wait, no. Trusty wrench goes on your other hand. Can you even hold the wrench? Bendy. Bendy, hold the wrench. There we go, finally. See guys, he could hold his wrench, and also, let's see if he can hold the gear. I don't think he can, because we'll just keep the gear right here. And he will just be like this. And his gear right there. So next up is I'll put that I'll throw all that once I'm finished unboxing Alice Angel. So same thing, but instead of her being the exact same color as Bendy, she's black and white. So let's just get her open, and I'll showcase her as well, because this is the point of this video. Oh my god. Oh yeah, and also it comes with these same characters. Oh no. Only 4 characters included in this black and white pack. So we have Boris the Wolf. We have Nice Bendy, and then we have the Alice Angel that we're unboxing right now. So I could probably go get the they don't have the Boris one. They don't have the rest of them for each characters for this color Bendy, and then also for the black and white. We only have. All right, how do I open this? So, oh my god, open this. Technical difficulties here, guys. But oh, okay, got it. Never mind. We're good. It's all good. Oh god, that's a mess. Alright. And hers just slipped right out. Alright. gone, and of course her staff as well. Alright. So I'll do the exact same thing I did with Bendy. Let's put everything. Showcase Bendy first. Oh, I mean not Bendy. Alice first. After this video, guys, tomorrow I might not have a lot of time because I am probably gonna be doing something tomorrow. So this is the black and white version of Alice Angel. I like how she came out. Oh my god, they have her all detailed out. If I closer, you can tell by her face, it's like all melted away. Looks like. Put that on focus. Hold on. Hold on, guys. That's the best I could do. But okay. Anyways, I like how she came out though. Not my favorite character. My actual favorite character is actually Bendy. And can she say it? No, she can't because of her big dress. Who knew that Alice was a big downer? Boom, there we go. We also have her microphone that that she performs on. Sorry if it's still looks nice though. We also have the little tape recorder here. And I'm gonna try focusing this one. Well, yeah, this is like the thing that she talked into in Bendy and Ink Machine. So that's all I have time for. Sadly, tomorrow will be a busy day. I am gonna make another video for you guys, and probably another Call of Duty video. I actually enjoy making these videos for you guys because why not? You guys mean the world to me, and I love it that you guys are always supporting me and leaving those likes, leaving those comments, and yeah. So from these characters, oh crap, new Alice right there. Put his gear there. Bendy, you could come over here. My favorite is actually Bendy. And look, it looks like he has like normal hands. I guess the people that made these toys, they didn't think that he had a big hand, one big hand and one small hand. But anyways, it's pretty cool. I like it. Also, one thing before I go, I have not really a theory, more like an actual thing. Bendy's leg, I guess they have him pointed forward instead of one backward, flipped backwards. Because that's how it is in the game. So, I'll find a good place for these characters, and hopefully either by tomorrow or this following Saturday or Sunday, I will have a new YouTube setup over here, or maybe not. It depends. So Bendy, I liked how he came out. I'm disappointed that Alice Angel did not end up black and white. And by the way, they're both enemies. If you don't know that, play the game. Please, I highly recommend playing the game for yourself and then seeing it for yourself. If you guys already did play the game, leave a comment telling me you seen the part where Alice mentions, oh God, where Alice mentions that Bendy here, he's a little twisted, but he's my favorite character from the Bendy and the Ink Machine. I can't wait to actually play for you guys and do a game play on the game. And remember, as always, you guys are part of. And remember, guys, you guys are all part of the War Dog Army. Arroo! Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Also, before I go, leave a like, leave a comment, and also if this is the first video you have seen by me, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on notifications to my channel. That would be greatly appreciated. I love all you guys' support. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. See you guys in the next episode. Sorry, I had a yawn. Bye bye.